Good. They sound so vicious. Get him, Dexy, get him! Get him! Get him! He sounds so vicious. Ooh, he's mad, Daddy. Get him, Dexy, get Daddy, get him! Look at they knocked the comfort off the bed over there. Get him, Dexy. Oh, Lolly. Come here, Lolly. Give Mama kisses, Lolly. Give Mommy kisses, Dexy.
Alright, I'm gonna put it back over here.
Get him on the bed.
No.
You want to sleep with Mommies tonight, Dexies? He's all pooped out. He's like, I'm done. Aww. Look at that face, my handsome boy.
Who's your belly rub? Oh,
I'll take a picture.
I gotta watch that because it looks like he was really biting my arm, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Mom, can I?